Tropical Cyclone 13 is just formed in the Indian Ocean right now, and unfortunately for the region of Madagascar, you guys are up now for another major threat from a tropical cyclone. 13 just recently formed at about 1300 hours, our time and date. That would be about a few hours ago. So pretty recent. They're forecasting that by the 21st of February, the storm will be a Category 2 tropical cyclone on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, most commonly used by North America. Category 3 tropical cyclone, used in the southern hemisphere, with winds of 110 miles an hour and gusts of 130 miles per hour. It's going to pass north of Port Louis, Mauritius, and St. Denis, Mauritius. The storm currently has winds of 40 miles per hour and gusts of 50 miles an hour. As again we go through time, it will strengthen quite rapidly as they go through time, reaching 110 mile per hour winds as it heads straight for pretty much the same area that was smashed by Cyclone Batsirai, just about a week ago, which made a Category 3 landfall with winds of 115 miles an hour. You guys in Madagascar would know it as a Category 4. Unfortunately, it seems to be very similar to Batsirai, and it's going to be a big storm. Now, for part of an update for the United States of America here, the United States of America is currently under a risk on the borderlines between North Texas and central Oklahoma right now. There is a risk for severe thunderstorms today, a slight risk for severe thunderstorms today, where tornadoes do appear to be possible. The severe thunderstorm risk again slight. The tornado threat 5% generally along the Oklahoma-Texas borderline. 15% chance there for strong winds over 65 miles per hour. Hail appears to be the same as well, about 15%. So moderate threats for hail, wind, and tornadoes for the region. Scattered damaging winds and hail will be possible overnight, along with the potential for a couple of tornadoes into early morning across North Texas and southern to eastern Oklahoma. So, seeing as it's going to be happening overnight, you guys really have to be very careful, as these are going to happen while most of you are asleep. So make sure your weather radio is online. Make sure that that if a tornado warning or a tornado has touched down in your area, that you have a way for something to wake you up, because if not, it could mean your life. The tornado is headed towards your area. So definitely be careful, as the most dangerous time for tornadoes to happen is during the night. I will have more updates throughout the next 2 hours. I will be on for the next 2 hours for the tracking this severe weather as it does start. That will be till 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for Cyclone 13, I will be on as much as possible. I do have school during the day, so I will be on as much as possible to bring you updates on that storm. That one's going to be a big one, so stay tuned.